Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best external hard drives in 2026. The cloud is convenient, sure, but having your data physically in your hands still hits different. Faster transfers, no subscriptions, and no guessing where your files live. Let's dive into the best external hard drives worth your cash this year. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth external hard drive on our list is the WD 2TB Elements portable hard drive, priced at $88.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. You're getting 2 terabytes of storage, which is honestly solid for everyday use documents, photos, video backups, you name it. On the performance side, it runs on USB 3.0, so transfer speeds are noticeably faster than the old USB 2.0 days, but don't expect SSD level numbers. You're looking at around 100 to 120 megabytes per second in real-world use, which is fine for most people. Connectivity-wise, it uses a micro B USB connector, and it's backward compatible with USB 2.0, so it works with pretty much anything. Just heads up, it comes formatted in NTFS, meaning it's plug and play for Windows, but Mac users will need to reformat it. No cross-platform out of the box. The build is simple and plastic, but WD did design it with shock tolerance in mind, so it's not super fragile. It's compact and lightweight at under half a pound, so it tosses easily in a bag. Being a spinning hard drive, you will hear a faint hum, and it can get slightly warm under heavy use, which is totally normal. One thing missing here is hardware encryption or a security pin, zero built-in security features, so keep that in mind if you're storing sensitive stuff. Our team recommends this for those who need affordable, reliable backup storage. The fourth external hard drive on our list is the WD 5TB Elements portable storage, priced at $148.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. You're getting a massive 5 terabytes of storage on a 2.5-inch form factor, which is honestly impressive for how compact it is. It weighs just over half a pound, so it's still totally bag-friendly and travel-ready. Same USB 3.0 interface with USB 2.0, backward compatibility, so it'll work with basically any laptop or desktop you throw at it. No adapter needed. Performance-wise, you're looking at roughly the same real-world speeds as the 2 terabyte, around 100 to 120 megabytes per second on USB 3.0, which is typical for a portable spinning drive. Don't expect anything faster just because you went bigger. The capacity scales, the speed doesn't. Because you've got more platters packed into that slightly thicker 0.82-inch chassis compared to the 2 terabytes 0.59 inches, you will notice it's a touch warmer during heavy read/write sessions, and the hum is slightly more noticeable. Nothing alarming, just worth knowing. WD built it to their usual shock tolerance standards. It's not ruggedized by any means, but it's not flimsy either. And same story as the 2 terabyte model, zero built-in encryption or password protection, and it ships formatted NTFS, so Mac users will need to reformat. Our team recommends this for those who need serious bulk storage on a budget. The third external hard drive on our list is the Seagate Expansion 8 terabyte external hard drive, priced at $218.67, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Unlike the WD drives we covered, this one is a desktop external HDD, meaning it's not bus powered. It needs its own power adapter to run, so this is not a throw it in your backpack kind of drive. This one lives on your desk. You're getting a massive 8 terabyte of spinning HDD storage. That's a lot of space for raw video footage, full game libraries, media archives, whatever you're hoarding. Interface is USB 3.0, Same story as the WDs. Real-world speeds hover around 100 to 160 megabytes per second depending on the data, which is solid for a desktop drive at this price point. And unlike the WD Elements, this one actually works with both Windows and Mac right out of the box without reformatting, though you'll still need to reformat if you want Mac Time Machine support. The form factor is noticeably bigger at roughly 7 inches long and weighing in at about 2.6 pounds. Being a desktop drive with a dedicated power source, it runs a bit more consistently, but it does generate more heat and audible hum than a smaller 2.5-inch portable. One thing that actually sets this apart from the WD options is Seagate's included Rescue Data Recovery Services. That's real data recovery support if the drive fails, which is genuinely valuable for a drive you're trusting with 8 terabytes of data. The biggest limitation here is portability. At 2.6 pounds and requiring its own power brick, this thing is strictly a desk dweller. You can't just unplug it and toss it in a bag like the WD portables. Our team recommends this for those who need massive capacity for a home office or media setup and don't need to move it around. The second external hard drive on our list is the WD Elements 10 terabyte desktop external hard drive, priced at $274.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This is still a desk-only drive. It needs its own AC adapter to run, so don't even think about throwing it in a bag. It lives on your desk, period. But what you get for that trade-off is a serious 10 terabyte of spinning HDD storage at a price per terabyte that's hard to beat. Interface is USB 3.0 with micro B connector, backward compatible with USB 2.0, so plug and play on pretty much anything. Real-world transfer speeds land around 130 to 160 megabytes per second on USB 3.0, which is right where you'd expect a 3.5-inch desktop drive to perform. Build-wise, WD built this to their standard durability and shock tolerance specs. It's not ruggedized, but it's solid. The enclosure is clean and minimal, nothing flashy. Being a larger 3.5-inch drive with more platters, it does run noticeably warmer, and the hum is more audible than the smaller portables, so just be aware if you're sensitive to that on your desk. No hardware encryption or security features built in, and it ships formatted NTFS, so Mac users will need to reformat, though it is compatible with Mac after that. Keep in mind, it needs a power outlet, and it's nearly 2 pounds, so it's strictly a stationary setup. Our team recommends this for those who are building out a home media server, video editing workstation, or just need a reliable bulk backup drive that stays put. The best external hard drive on our list is the Seagate Expansion 10 terabyte external hard drive, priced at $286.87, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. Just like the rest of the desktop drives in this list, this is a traditional spinning HDD housed in a 3.5-inch desktop enclosure. At 2.59 pounds and the same footprint as the 8 terabyte Seagate Expansion we covered, it's a chunky but standard desktop drive. USB 3.0 interface, real-world speeds around 130 to 160 megabytes per second, and unlike the WD Elements, it works natively with both Windows and Mac out of the box without reformatting. You'll only need to reformat if you're using Time Machine on Mac. It runs warm and has that typical low HDD hum under load, nothing unusual for a drive this size. Where Seagate pulls ahead of the WD 10 terabyte is with the included Rescue Data Recovery Services. That's actual professional data recovery support bundled in if things go sideways, plus Seagate's Toolkit backup software is included in the box. No hardware encryption though, so sensitive data is on you to protect at the software level. The limitation here is the same as every desktop drive in this roundup. It's completely tied to an outlet. You can't move this around without packing up a power brick too, so if any level of portability matters to you, this isn't it. Our team recommends this for those who need a 10 terabyte hard drive sitting permanently on their desk with the added peace of mind of data recovery services. And there you have it, folks, the best external hard drives in 2026. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.